Imagine combining the legendary presence of the Batmobile with the luxury and functionality of a futuristic RV. That's exactly what the 2026 Batmobile Motorhome Camper delivers, a jaw-dropping fusion of superhero fantasy and real-world adventure. Built for those who dream big and travel even bigger, this is not your average camper. This is a Batcave-on-wheels. The first thing you notice is its aggressive silhouette. With sharp angular lines, a stealth black matte finish, and those signature glowing blue underlights, it doesn't just roll up, it arrives. The front grille looks like something straight out of Gotham, with turbine-style air intakes and hidden headlights that retract when parked. It's sleek, dark, and unforgettable. Underneath all that style, the Batmobile RV is a beast. Powered by a dual electric motor system producing 1,200 horsepower, this motorhome launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds, unheard of for a vehicle this size. With all-wheel drive and active torque vectoring, it handles mountain passes and tight curves like a much smaller SUV. And for the eco-conscious vigilante, its solid-state battery pack offers an impressive 620-mile range on a single charge. But performance is only half the story. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that looks more like a billionaire's tech lair than an RV. The cockpit is fully digital, with a curved OLED dashboard, biometric ignition, and even voice control powered by a custom AI named Alfred. From adjusting climate zones to projecting navigation holograms, everything is responsive and touchless. Let's move to the living quarters, which unfold with the touch of a button. Yes, literally. The Batmobile Motorhome has a modular expanding design that extends outward and upward when parked, increasing the living space by 80%. Inside, you're met with brushed steel accents, LED ambient lighting that adapts to your mood, and high-end carbon fiber detailing throughout. The lounge area features rotating recliner chairs, a 70-inch retractable smart screen, and even a hidden minibar with a chilling system. The kitchen? Compact but luxurious, equipped with a touch panel induction stove, dual compartment fridge, and a built-in espresso machine. And because every hero needs rest, the bedroom features a memory foam king-size bed with an adaptive suspension system that ensures a stable sleep, no matter the terrain. At the center of it all is the bathroom, a full wet room with motion-sensing fixtures, a rainfall showerhead, and self-cleaning technology. You've never seen hygiene tech like this in a camper before. We want to hear from you. Would you drive a Batmobile RV? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, especially if you're into futuristic campers like this one. The 2026 Batmobile Motorhome Camper isn't just a concept, it's a limited production reality. Only 250 units are being made, and each one can be customized to match your choice of interior themes: Dark Knight, Wayne Manor, or Neo Gotham. Prices start at a staggering $1.8 million, but what you get is more than just a vehicle. You get a statement, an identity, and the freedom to travel in a way no one else can. It's rare that a vehicle redefines both what's possible and what's desirable in the RV world. The Batmobile RV does both. It's not just futuristic. It's practically superheroic. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more mind-blowing rides. Until next time, stay curious and drive legendary.